Label laminate. It sounds boring, but is it? In today's competitive marketplace, labels are doing more than just identifying a product. They're shaping the brand experience, and label laminate can go a long way to enhancing that experience. At HD Labels, we're always looking for new ways to help your packaging stand out. This is why we're excited to highlight our extended range of laminate options. So what is laminate? Laminate is a plastic film that is applied to the label material after it's been printed, but before it's been cut. Once cut, it's the exact same shape as the label, and therefore seals and covers the entire label. Not only does it change the look of the label, but it adds a barrier, giving it an additional layer of durability. So how is laminate applied? This needs to be applied at the finishing process, so whether you have a label finisher yourself or someone is finishing your labels for you, they will be applying the laminate just before cut. In the example shown, you'll see the Affinia DLF. This is one of the label finishers we use in-house. All of our laminate is pressure applied and not heat applied, so it doesn't affect the print or the material it's being applied to. So what are the benefits of laminating your label? The first benefit is the look of the label. So maybe you've used a high gloss material to make that color pop, but you want to add a more classic, smoother feel to the label, so you can perhaps add a matte laminate to the high gloss material. It will take that shine away from the laminate, so less glare on the product, and offers a really luxurious finish to the label. The second benefit is the feel, especially with something like our sand effect or soft touch laminates. People don't just buy with their eyes, they pick up a product, they feel the label. And our new laminates will help the feel of your label be more in tune with the feel of your brand. What laminate options are there? So we'll start with a classic, which is a matte laminate. Matte laminate is by far and away the most popular choice in our print room. It's great for brands looking for a sleek, luxurious, more understated feel to their label. The matte laminate reduces glare and gives a soft, smooth feel to the label. Perfect for premium products where subtlety and sophistication are key. The next option is gloss laminate. If you want your labels to pop, then gloss laminate is the way to go. This high shine finish enhances colors, adds vibrancy, and creates a professional, polished finish that stands out on the shelf. If vibrant color and being out there is what your brand is looking for, then a gloss laminate might be for you. Sand effect laminate. Sand effect laminate adds a lightly textured finish that adds a visual and tactile dimension to your label. It's a great way to differentiate your product while maintaining durability. Soft touch laminate. Soft touch offers a truly premium experience. It has a velvety, luxurious feel to it. It invites customers to pick up your product and engage with it. This is an increasingly valuable advantage in the retail environment. How do you find out which is the right laminate for you? So we can provide samples of the laminate. We have sample sheets with all 4 laminate types on there. You're also able to supply us with artwork, and we'll produce you free samples in-house. So for more information, talk to the team at HD Labels and we'll make sure you get the right laminate for your brand. Thanks for watching.